आप देखें the mothers, there are 4 mothers, 2 are visible, 2 are not. One was Faraz's mother, one was Yasin's mother. Both of them died. Look at the, again a parallel of death
Absolutely.
between them. Then there is Mummy and then there is Alia.
Yeah.
Look at the parallel between them.
Yeah.
So, तो मुझे लग रहा था कि I'm talking about it now from a distance that I can analyze it. But when I was writing it, I could make it out. I was not conscious about it. The characters were so much in control. They were telling the story themselves. Now when I look back at it, और थोड़ा मैं फासले से देखती हूँ तो मुझे खुद goosebumps होते हैं कि oh my god, the parallels, I didn't even know about them when they were happening. आप देखिए कि जितनी तकलीफ से वो सब औरतें गुजरी. The entire family of Faraz, the parallel between Faraz's trauma and Pakiza's trauma has a contrast. लोगों को ये बहुत लगता है. फराज के साथ पर्सनली फिजिकली वो सब नहीं हुआ है उतना जितना पाकीज़ा को झेलना पड़ा है फिजिकली ऑन हर ओन. वाई? फराज के साथ भी जो कुछ हुआ है उसकी औरतों के साथ हुआ है जो उसकी घर की है. राइट. His father is still running his work. He's still around there working, going out, right? But पाकीज़ा ही तो वो एक है ना जो खुद ले रही है फ्रंट फुट पे. बिल्कुल. उसकी सारी बहनों के साथ हुआ है. Look at the misogyny working in this whole environment. I mean, now when I look at it, I realize कि ये हो क्या रहा था. So those characters are not visible on the screen, but very much there and very much victimized by the society. तो ये मुझे लगता है कि इसमें अगर आप just go on, look at the parallel drawn between मम्मी का घर and the Darul Aman where she went. पहले तो वो वहाँ गई थी. उनका तो काम है सवाल ना करना, पनाह देना. But look at the contrast. They pushed her back and Mummy took her in.